Hello everyone! Today we are dyeing my hair purple! I could not finish out the year without dyeing my hair again. It has been a year of hair. Lots of different colors, lots of scary damage, getting roasted by Brad Mondo not once, but twice. But this year of hair journeying is quickly coming to a close. Today I am putting purple hair dye in my hair, which is the last color that I wanted to do this year before I shave it all off. And if you're new here, my name is Leah, and this is the place for you if you like cosplay, horror, sci-fi, hair dye transformations, video games, anime, and so much more. If you're a geek of any kind, join in by subscribing and turning on the notifications. We'd love to have you. Now let's get into this hair dye video and hope we don't fail. From the beginning, when I started dyeing my hair crazy colors, I said, I just wanna go balls to the walls, try every color I've been interested in, not really worrying too much about damage. And then when my hair gets too damaged, I will shave it off. We're definitely at that point. We cannot do any more damage to my hair. The last time I bleached it, I am surprised I had any hair left on my head. I'm still losing so much in the shower. So what I've been trying to do for the past few weeks, I have abandoned the cold wash method, which is what you're supposed to do when you have temporary hair dye. You wash it in cold water to prevent bleeding and to keep the hair as vibrant as possible for as long as possible. But because I knew I was changing the color and I knew I absolutely could not touch my hair with bleach, I've just been washing it in hot water, maybe shampooing it a little bit more often than usual to get as much blue out as possible. But truthfully, I'm not terribly worried about putting purple on top of this and getting a vibrant result. This is pretty faded, but on top of that, let's talk color theory. Red and blue make purple. So if I put purple on top of this, I don't think it's gonna make it any less purple. I also think the purple that I am using skews a little bit more red. So I think we're going to end up with a neutral, maybe cooler toned purple, but I think it will still be purple. I actually have to go pick up the hair dye right now. So let's do that. And then I'll meet you in the bathroom to see if we can cover up this blue. Hair dye has been acquired. It is the next day. I did want to wash my hair yesterday just to make sure it was clean so that the dye could adhere to my hair better. That's how that works. When your hair is clean, the dye will stick better. I don't know if that's right, but the logic is sound. I'm a little bit apprehensive about the color that I chose, and here's why. It is Punky Color Purple, which we know Punky Color is my brand of choice, but if you look at the color on the top and the color on the side, they are slightly different. I don't know if it's as obvious to you. Oh no, that is super obviously different. Those are two fully different colors. So like, what is happening? And then oh, this smells really good. Anyway, inside it's kind of hard to tell, but it looks dark, and that's what we're going for. I want a very dark purple. My last hair dyeing of the year. This is exciting. I do hope it's faded enough. It is a little yellow in places, but I do think that because the dye is dark enough, it'll cover it. Oh, I can't section my hair with these gloves on. Let me section my hair first, I'm gonna put these back on. I'm not doing like a crazy good section. Yeah, the dark purple should cover this, I hope. But this isn't really a color I'm going to keep for a long time. I think as long as I wash it in cold water, it'll stay vibrant for as long as I plan on having it, which is like 3 weeks. And I wash my hair like once a week, maybe twice a week. So if I wash it cold, it'll stay good. Hoping it looks good. I'm leaving the country tomorrow for 2 weeks. So you know me, I love flying by the seat of my pants and making big changes the night before something important where I don't want to look bad. Like I dyed my hair green the day before the Terrifier premiere. Risky, but I trust Punky Color enough. I think it'll be good. Yeah, that's gonna be dark. I hope it's not too dark. I hope it doesn't just look brown. No, I think it'll look purple. Oh God, I think it's gonna be really dark. I'm going for subtle. This is my most subtle color I've had in a long time, unless it just becomes a muddy brown, in which case, oops. I mean, that looks purple. I feel like that's accurate. Okay, we'll see. But I have had a lot of fun colors this year. The blue I just had was actually, I'd say in color, one of my favorites. But I just think because my hair is so damaged right now, I didn't really get to enjoy it as much as I would have liked. So that's a color I would maybe go back to once my hair is healthy again. I definitely got the most wear out of the green that I had for so long, and my hair was still super freaking healthy. Now it's hanging on by a thread. Oh my gosh. The amount of breakage that I'm still experiencing is crazy, but it'll all be gone soon. I have been teasing a shaved head moment, so hopefully we can make that a reality after this purple. The last color that I had intended on doing when I started dyeing my hair back in like, I don't know, I feel like it was October 2021. No, that feels too far back. September 2022? Maybe August of 2022? I have no idea. I feel like I just threw out 3 dates that were nowhere near each other. But purple was kind of the last color that I wanted to do. The only color I feel like I didn't really do was red. I had no interest in doing red. I was a redhead for like 5 years, so already scratched that itch. The first time I ever dyed my hair a crazy color in college, the first color I did was purple. And it didn't show up very well. It wasn't very vibrant. I also feel like I didn't touch on the fact that I literally did nothing to prepare my hair for this color. Like I didn't bleach it, I didn't try to color remove, nothing. The color is super faded. I've been working in the past few weeks to fade the color down as much as possible. Oh, I am nervous this isn't gonna be vibrant though. Maybe it's good though. I just cannot wait to be unburdened from this hair. All right. It's time lapse time. See you on the other side. Wow, that was perfectly 1 container of the hair dye. Fully empty. Ah, you caught me purple-handed. Oh man, the more I'm looking at this, I'm like, it's just gonna be brown. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna be betrayed by color theory. Well, we'll see. How long? This never says. I don't even think these containers don't say. I don't know why. I remember I always have to look it up online. So I'm gonna let that sit for indeterminate amount of time, however long the internet says, and I will come back with it styled for you to see, and hopefully it is purple and not a muddy brown because I don't have time to change it, so whatever happens here is going to be my vacation look. Wish me luck. Ta-da! Okay, I will say, at first, I didn't really like it because it felt so dark. In my head, I was like, oh my gosh, is anyone gonna even know that my hair is purple? Does it even show up? Can people tell? But I honestly think the change is just very different. This is for sure the most subtle look I've had since I started dyeing my hair. It is the darkest, but the more that I looked at it and got used to it, I decided I do really like it. I think it's dark and moody for the winter time. It definitely is purple. I think people could tell that it's purple. I like how it blends with the root really well. And this is gonna be a fun look to have on my vacation for the next 2 weeks. So all in all, I am very satisfied. And my goodness, what a year of hair transformations that this has been. But I'm happy to announce that what I've been teasing pretty much since I started dyeing my hair is officially happening as soon as I get back from my vacation. That's right, I'm shaving my head. It's time. It's definitely time. I say this in pretty much all of my hair dyeing videos, like, oh, if this goes wrong and all my hair falls out, that's fine, I'll just shave it. But so far my hair hasn't fallen out for the most part. Like, it's definitely fallen out a little bit. We've got a little bit of breakage and a little bit of melting, and my hair does not feel great anymore. And it's time for that reset. I got through all of the colors that I wanted to do. Purple was the last one. So now that we're here, yeah, it's time to reset. It's time to buzz it off, get my hair back and healthy again, get my curls back into working condition. So the next time you see me will probably be the last time you see me with this hair. Don't worry, of course, I will be taking you along the hair shaving journey with me. So you can expect that very soon on this channel. I'll go through all the reasons why I want to shave my head, what I'm excited about, what I'm afraid of, and then we'll buzz it all off. Oh, I'm nervous, but I'm also very excited. And thank you so much for coming along for yet another hair dye journey. It was probably the least chaotic out of all of them, and I'm extremely happy with the results. And don't forget, if you are a geek of any kind, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and comment down below what you think of this hair makeover. My name is Leah, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.
I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, yeah 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day 꿈에도